Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the puff stitch, a beautiful textured stitch that adds soft raised dimension to your crochet projects. The puff stitch is created by working several partially completed stitches into the same stitch and then closing all of those loops together at the top. This creates that signature rounded, almost pillowy texture. To begin, yarn over and insert your hook into the designated stitch. Then yarn over again and pull up a loop. Now we're going to repeat that same motion several times, always working back into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Continue repeating this until you have the number of loops required for your particular pattern. Once you have all of your loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. Here, I'm creating 5 loops on my hook. Then, depending on the pattern you're following, you may chain one to secure the puff stitch. That little chain helps close the puff and gives it a defined rounded shape. And that's your puff stitch. The more times you repeat this step, the fuller and more pronounced your puff stitch will be. As you pull up each loop, try to keep them approximately the same height. This is what helps create a neat, even puff rather than one that looks tight or uneven. You can see how the finished puff sits slightly above the surrounding fabric, creating this beautiful 3-dimensional texture. Puff stitches can be worked individually as a decorative detail or repeated throughout a project to create an all-over textured fabric. You'll see them used in everything from blankets and accessories to bags, garments, and decorative borders. And that's all there is to crocheting the puff stitch. Once you get comfortable keeping those elongated loops even, it's really a simple technique that can add a lot of texture and interest to your crochet projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.